In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this type of viral AI videos. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here, first, we will go to the image section. This because first we're going to create an image and then with that image create a video. So now we have to click in settings. Here we're going to use the model GPT-Image 2, and in quality we're going to use the medium quality. This because the medium quality is really good and much cheaper than the high quality. So now here where it says describe your image, we're going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And now we have to click here. Now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the result. So now we have to choose the image that we like the most. Personally, I like this one, so I'm going to download this image. Now we have to go to the video section. Here we need to click in settings. And here in model, we're going to use Seedance 2.0 mini. Now we have to click here and upload the image that we download. So let's click here. Now here we have to paste the prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And well, in duration, I'm going to use 8 seconds. So now we have to click here and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. But before the video generates, I want to tell you that for the new users, there is an offer that you can try the platform for just $1. With that, you will receive 10 credits. That means that, for example, you could do more or less 5 videos like this one trying NovoAds AI. So I recommend you to try the platform. So well, now let's wait for the video. Perfect, here we have the result. So now let's see it.
Everybody looks and nobody eats me.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. So well, remember that you can try this platform for just $1 and see you in the next video.